Alright, bro. This is the 120 watt solar panel my bro Jesse hooked me up with. Came from my house. And he had one extra one. Wiring right here. And I got a little drill. Drilled it right underneath there. Just that tubing. And this is the, like I said, the 20 amp MPPT charge controller. And that basically communicates from solar panel to battery. Inline fuse that I have, it goes right there, comes out, you know, it's going into the
solar panels. From the solar panels, comes in to protect the solar panels from getting out over circuit. This one's a regular inline break like a car battery. Anyways, then there's your load
out to your battery, which I have is yellow and black. It goes down, and I got it going back behind here. So I can pick it up to that bad boy, which is the battery. That clusterfuck of tubing and shit, that's a whole other story. But anyways, you got that going to your plus and minus of your battery. And then out of your battery, which that line goes there, you would go to your inverter. And yeah, just go to that. You're going off the battery to two wires here. And between here and there, these are the inline fuses I was talking about. So you have one of those. This feeds all your, it protects this bad boy. And like I said, the one you have back here protects your solar panels and that charge controller. So anyway, this is your inverter, cheapy from Harbor Freight. Just plug it in. And there it is, plugged in. I just made these little adapters. You can use a whatever. It's on. So the green light's on. That's power. Got 110 volts right here. USB. And that's pretty much it. That is the breakdown.